5 minutes, it wins. 0 minutes, wins even more. Going on Speedway. Cool.
Hold on,
Whoops. All right. No weight, up and on. Love this.
Just press your foot down on the pedal. To stop, take your
Hey, the weight back. No, no worries.
do not stop on the track or follow any other cars. Thanks, and have a great race. Bienvenidos, pilotos.
Always do the right thing.
Permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad garantizado.
I don't think I split them up. I hope not. I don't mind waiting an extra couple minutes. I'm easy.
Go ahead, just wait for me.
Wow. Single rider live. Love it. Oh, special spot. Over to the other side. Look at all those cars. You know, I never got an answer to my question. Are they going to switch to electric cars at some point? Comment down below. That's loud. Thank you. Oh, the gigantic child is on the ride. We're going to check this ride stabilization. Thank you. Here we go. Let's check out my camera stabilization because I'm going to crash. Take you on a tour. I'm just the people mover. Does anybody else think that looks like the Hall of Justice from Superman? Like the old 80s cartoon? The cool thing is we're going to get a good look at Tron right now. Look at that. That's the awning that they're building for the light cycles to go underneath. A little behind the scenes action. Let's see if we see it on the other side. This is one of those rides that no one goes on. Like, as you get older, you're like, oh, hey, who cares about stupid little cars? I love this ride. Like, love this ride. So there's the Tron ride right there. For the life of me, I am drawing a blank on what it's called. I want to call it a canopy. How awesome is that? Up close and personal with Tron. Space Mountain. For some reason, I always wind up in the lane. So the person in front of me has no idea what to do. It's okay with me because I'm interested in videotaping anyway. It's not like I'm going to go 300 miles an hour like a little leisurely stroll through the park. Sightseeing, vlogging through Tomorrowland Speedway. And Tron updates. Man, that thing's gonna be awesome. Now, unfortunately, I'm kind of a big baby when it comes to roller coasters, and I admit that. It's not so much that I'm a baby. I like the rides. I like doing it. Afterwards, I always feel like I got hit by a dump truck. But I'm going to ride Tron. I can tell you that right now. We're going to go on Dumbo too. We're going to have to make it a Disney World day. As we pull in, Tomorrowland tomorrow. The future. Passing all you, I'm winning. That's right, I beat you. Yeah, kid. All right, let's go. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.